Hey guys, today we're going to be restoring these 1970 Cutlass tail lights. It's gonna be a journey. Let's just say that. This is my first time using bondo, and let's see how it goes. All right, so here's my tail lights. I'm gonna go ahead and get some soap, water. I do have some grease and wax remover. And yeah, as you can see, they're a bit beat up. This one's good. Oh, that fell out. Shocking. I don't know what the hell that is. And then we have this one, a couple rough edges. I'm going to try to fabricate some new ones. See how it goes. And right now, guys, I'm just sanding away that top layer, cleaning them off real good before I try to bondo them, you know, that way I don't have to put too much primer on there, and I can see where my defaults, or I would say my imperfections are, because that way we can put some filler bondo. Try this bondo method one. We'll see if that works. Always put more than what I needed because I could just sand off the rest nice and smooth. Stuff is kind of tricky to play with too, so got that. Little blob. My theory here is to put the tape at the bottom, but it kind of moved a little bit that way. If it does stick, I could at least lift it up and pull the tape up. But again, it's like a slight art to it anyway, so it doesn't sit flush. So for this first treatment, my plan is to just scrape it up if I need to. All right, guys, so I went ahead and peeled that up, and that's perfect. Once I sand that down, get it all nice and smooth. Now I gotta get this one up, but it came out exactly how I thought it would. I did have to chisel it up a little bit, which is cool. But that tape underneath definitely helped. Because that way, when it was time to get the Bondeezy up, it just lifted right up. I did have to scrape the wood a little bit, just try to use a flat surface, because this thing is really curved. If you look at the way that they move, they're not really flat. So this is just enough to where you can get underneath it. I think these are gonna come out really great. All right, guys, I'm not gonna go in full detail with this, right? As you see, I've layered on my bondo kind of thick, but just using my hand sander to go ahead and just grind it down. Not all the way, because you still want to detail it by hand to get those cuts and corners. So, yeah, stay tuned, man. Like I said, I'm not doing a whole instructional. You don't know how to sand, fucking YouTube it. All right, so I did prime these. I'm not even sure I had to. I went ahead and did it anyway. You see a couple spots I need to hit. It will be kind of see-through with the light on them. That's just what it is. Not gonna put a heavy coat of prime on there, because the aluminum or whatever I'm gonna use will darken that up, give it that pop. See, that was a pretty decent tape job. And we'll finish that in the morning, though. I really don't like painting at night, but prime I don't really care, because if I mess up, I can just sand it off, right? See you tomorrow. All right, here we go, guys. Finally finished. And like I said, man, they're not perfect, but to me, they look good. Not really a painter, not really a DIY type of guy. Wasn't going for perfect, because like I said, this headlight's broke. It's cracked. Another one of those is cracked. It's not like a perfection thing, but it beats paying $250. That doesn't really bother me. Once I slap them on the back of baby, it's gonna be all good. what they look like to how far they came. It's beautiful. And like I said, looks good to me. Better than they were, all beat up. If you want to go for that dull look, again, use the aluminum dull. It'll give you that dull look. Personally, like I told you guys, it really didn't matter to me because none of it looks as shiny as the bumper anyway. And the original are like, I bought stuff from OPGI and those other sites. It's pretty much this dull look. I know exactly what they look like.